Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 5 of exercise 9.3. Question number 5 is having 4 parts A, B, C, D. So let us solve each one of them one by one. The first part says add P into bracket P minus Q, Q into bracket Q minus R, and R into bracket R minus P. If you see properly, there are 3 expressions 1, 2 and 3. 3 of them, first we have to multiply the outside monomial with the binomial, each one of them, and then add them. So what we will do, we will write first expression is equal to P into bracket P minus Q. When we open the bracket, P into P will give me P square, minus into plus will give me minus P into Q, PQ. Second expression Q into bracket Q minus R. When I open, it will become Q square minus QR. Third expression is equal to R into bracket R minus P. When we open it, we will get R square minus RP. So we have got 3 expressions. Now we will add each of them. Now P square minus PQ plus Q square minus QR plus R square minus RP, we have to add them, is equal to P square minus PQ, we will open the bracket, Q square minus QR plus R square minus RP. We will look for the like terms. Here I cannot see any like term. Here it is PQ, PR and QR, and P square, Q square and R square. So I will arrange them and that will be my answer. P square plus Q square plus R square minus PQ minus QR minus RP. This will be my answer. Let me write the second part. So second part says add 2x into bracket z minus x minus y and 2y into bracket z minus y minus x. We have to add this first expression with the second expression, but we will first simplify it and then add. So first expression is equal to 2x into bracket z minus x minus y. When opening, we will get 2xz minus 2x into x will give me 2x square minus 2xy. Now second expression is equal to 2y z minus y minus x. After opening, we will get 2yz minus 2y square minus 2xy. Now adding. We get the first expression is 2xy minus 2x square minus xz, here it is xz minus 2xy plus 2yz minus 2y square minus 2xy. After opening, I will get 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy plus 2yz minus 2y square minus 2xy. Now taking the like terms, here you can see minus 2xy and minus 2xy. So we will write rest all as it is because rest all are unlike terms. So 2xy minus 2x square minus 2 plus 2 will give me minus 4xy plus 2yz minus 2y square. We can arrange them and write down also, but we can keep it as it is also. So this is our answer. Now let me write the third part. So in third part it is subtract. First two part it was add, but the procedure is same. First expression we will simplify it. 3l into bracket l minus 4m plus 5n. On simplifying it we will get 3l square minus 4 3s are 12 ml plus 5 3s are 15 nl. Second expression now, 4l into bracket 10n minus 3m plus 2l. On opening it we will get 10 4s are 40 nl minus into plus will give me minus 3 4s are 12 ml plus into plus will be plus 2 4s are 8 l square. Now add subtracting. First expression from second, that means we have to write the second expression first because we are subtracting the first expression from second one. So we will write 40 nl minus 12 ml plus 8 l square in one bracket minus the first expression, that is 3l square minus 12 ml plus 15 nl. Please write the second bracket, second in the first expression in the bracket, because while you will open the sign will change. 4 nl minus 12 ml plus 8 l square. The first expression, that is the second expression which I have written, the sign of the second expression will not change. Please follow, please make it clear. Minus into plus will be minus 3l square, minus into minus will be plus 12 ml, minus into plus will be minus 15 nl. Okay, now looking for the like terms, 40 nl minus 15 nl, you will write together. Then here it is minus 12 ml and plus 12 ml, it will cancel out, and 8 l square minus 3l square together, 8 l square minus 3l square together. So solving both of them, 40 nl minus 15 nl will give me 25. 40 minus 15 will be 25 nl plus 8l square minus 3l square. 8 minus 3 will be 5l square. So this is our answer. Now moving to the fourth part. Let me first write it down. Fourth part is also the subtraction. So we will solve as it is. Here also they have given us first expression and the second expression, and we have to subtract the first expression from second expression. So let us start. First expression is equal to 3a into bracket a plus b plus c minus 2b into bracket a minus b plus c, opening this bracket and then opening this bracket. 3a into a will give me 3a square plus 3a into b will give me 3ab plus 3a into c will give me 3ac. Now solving this bracket, minus into plus will be minus 2ab, minus into minus will be plus 2b square, minus into plus will be minus 2bc. Now 3a square as it is, because we are not having any other a square. Now looking this, 3ab minus 2ab, that is 3 minus 2 will give me only 1 ab, that we can write ab. 3ac minus, no, nothing is there, so we will write as it is, plus 3ac plus 2b square, because already this we have solved, minus 2bc. This will be our first expression. Now moving to second expression. Second expression is equal to 4c into bracket minus a plus b plus c. Multiplying, opening the bracket, monomial into trinomial, minus into plus will give me minus 4ac plus into plus plus 4bc plus into plus plus 4c square. This is our second expression. Now subtracting, first expression from second. So we will write second expression first, minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square in one bracket, and then subtract the first expression, that is 3a square plus ab plus 3ac plus 2b square minus 2bc. Put this in bracket. Now opening the bracket, when you open the second one, the sign will change. This will become minus, this is plus, so it will become minus, minus into plus minus 3ac, minus into plus minus 2b square, minus into minus plus 2bc. Now taking the like terms together, minus 4ac, look for the ac terms, here it is, we will take it together, minus 4ac minus 3ac in one bracket, plus 4bc and plus 2bc together, 4bc plus 2bc together. Now 4c square is unlike term, 2b square unlike term, 3a square unlike terms. Now here ab, this is also unlike term, so we will write as it is, ab first, then plus 4c square minus 3a square minus 2b square. Okay, now here minus 4ac and minus 3ac, so it will become minus 7ac. Same sign, so we will add them and put the same sign, plus 6bc minus ab plus 4c square minus 3a square minus 2b square. So this will be our answer. Maybe backside of the textbook the terms are rearranged, but it will be these terms only. You can write the 4c before and then this will be last. It is okay. You can rearrange, but this will be your answer. So we have solved today the 4 parts of question number 5. Hope you all have understood. If not, please go through it once more so that you can understand properly. We will meet with new questions in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.